Clinical waste management has ever been a major challenge in the health sector, with a vastly deteriorating situation worsened by COVID-19, creating more panic with health personnel fearing contact with clinical waste. Health facilities in the country have long grappled with inundated clinical waste management, dumping them in manners that can expose scavengers and the public to risks of contamination.
Waste from a hospital are put into the trailer of a tractor. The tractor takes it in an open trailer, and the waste is dumped at the dump sites where domestic waste is also dumped. This is very risky. It is very dangerous. People who go to the dump sites are exposed.
This situation has forced the Gambia government to devise urgent efforts in addressing the challenge of clinical waste management, with funding from the World Bank and the Gambia government, through the Ministry of Health, for the construction of a state-of-the-art waste treatment center in Farato, to serve as a refinery for clinical waste. Inaugurating the state-of-the-art eco-sterile clinical waste treatment center, President Adama Barrow said his government is recommitting fresh efforts to modernize health infrastructure.
Poor infrastructure and insufficient waste management capacity make matters worse for many countries. Against this background, my government resolved to transform the health sector by modernizing the sector's infrastructure, providing standard equipment, and building human capacity. It is essential to have a solution to the worrying issue of medical waste. This would contribute sufficiently to reducing infection among health workers and the community at large.
Having a way of dealing with this waste is a big plus. It's a very, very big positive step for the people of this country and for healthcare service delivery in this country.
This machine is fully automated, meaning it requires less human power for operations. It can process about 300 kilograms of clinical waste within an hour. Engineers say the machine is environmentally friendly and will help in sanitizing clinical waste without exposing operators to any dangers.
There are no fumes, there are no smokes. It's purely sterilization. And the waste is purely clean and can be used as raw material for some other purposes, like in cement factories, in manufacturing and so on. So this waste is safe. It can be dumped to a normal landfill or a normal dump site.
These use modern waste management technology. They use a microwave system that's going to microwave whatever is put into them and then sterilize them and make them not dangerous for the human beings. And then the residue will be discarded or used for other things.
International partners like the World Bank, who funded the Clinical Waste Treatment Center, have been complementing the Gambia government's efforts to transform the health sector, especially during the COVID pandemic, something World Bank officials say will continue.
So together, we have made an investment of $110 million, and we hope that this can contribute to the improvement of the health system, because the final test is that all the people will have access to a good health system and get the treatment they deserve. And we, as a World Bank, are committed to work with you, not only today, tomorrow, but in the long term. We see ourselves as a long-term partner of the Gambia.
The World Bank financed COVID-19 project has invested over $5 million in establishing environmentally friendly healthcare waste management system in the Gambia. Additionally, the Ministry of Health is expecting 40 more of these modern incinerators. These will be installed in the rural regions, in the health centers, and the hospitals to allow treatment of waste on site. since the transport of waste in the rural areas to a centralized location is going to be a challenge.
Clinical waste is referred to as waste generated from health facilities, used by health officials during treatments, operations, and other health-related hazards, usually seen as dangerous waste. With these machines, the struggle of clinical waste management is now a thing of the past, mitigating the work of janitors who go through the drudgery of cleaning and collection, as refrigerated waste trucks will replace tractors in the collection of clinical waste. Officials said this move is expected to greatly reduce the dangers of soil, water, and air contamination, as well as environmental pollution. The EcoSterile 75 machine is stationed at the Edward Francis Small Teaching Hospital, while the EcoSterile 250 is stationed at the treatment center in Farato.
We have in Sana 8 stationed at Kotu, Central Medical Store to serve Western 1 health region. We have another one stationed at Kafuta, that is to serve Western 2 health region. We have another one stationed at Farafenye to serve North Bank East health region. We have another one stationed at North Bank West in Esau to serve North Bank West. We have another one stationed at Bansang, serving the Central River region. We have another one stationed at Yerobawol, serving Upper River region. Another one at Soma, Mansakonko, serving the LRR region. So all these regions have this magnificent material.
Farmer Abaji, GRTS News.